Hey guys, it's Shelby with Farmhouse Living and welcome back to our channel. So recently I shared my complete transformation of my hallway bath, which is my first project to be done in my new house. And now I wanted to talk about one detail that I feel like could relate to a lot of people, and it's transforming a builder grade mirror. Those massive mirrors that have no character and just frankly look a little bit tacky. For this specific space, not only did I need the function of the mirror because this vanity is so long, but I also needed this narrow space to be opened up. And that's the magic of a mirror. If you have a mirror in a space that feels small or feels closed in, it all of a sudden opens it up. And so that's what this mirror was doing. But as I was transforming this space, adding the beadboard, adding the wallpaper, the amazing barn door, this almost 9-foot mirror was just glaring at me saying, give me the character and the pretty that you're dispersing through the rest of the bathroom. So I knew I wanted to frame it. I knew I couldn't DIY the entire thing. But I found this really amazing solution online, and it's FrameMyMirror. So as I was looking for a solution, I found FrameMyMirror, which they make these amazing, they call it Add-A-Frame, and it's just a frame that they custom fit for your mirror, so you don't have to miter all those cuts and worry about making sure that it looks perfect, but also it's super easy to install, and they have a really big selection of frames. So I chose the Weston frame, which is just a simple white frame, and I wanted it to look like it just flowed into the trim work, the millwork that I had going on, and almost look like I had the same people install all of it together. But I also, when I was looking, I was also really entertaining the Eastland frame, also the Avery frame, but they have a huge selection. I love that you could even make a builder grade mirror look like antique or vintage, kind of get that European feel with some of their more ornate options. So the first thing you do is you submit your measurements. Mine was 97 by 41, and they were still able to ship that very long frame. And I was really happy when I got on there and I saw that. When you're filling out the form, it also asks you if there's any obstructions, if you'd like mirror clips, but overall, the questions are not too hard. Super easy ordering process. I mean, the hardest part is picking the frame because you'll like more than one option. The assembly is super easy. It comes with glue and assembly wedges, and all you need to do is find a flat place that's clean to assemble your frame. So my frame was super big, so I literally cleared out my entire guest room, laid it on the floor, face down, and kind of put it together how it would be. I started at one corner and put a little bit of glue. I mean, I'm talking a very small amount of glue, and put the corner together. Then you put the wedges in the holes and you hammer it in. I was honestly shocked by how well the wedges held those corners together, and once we did all 4 corners, the frame was so sturdy. The next thing is you gotta let the glue dry a little bit. They recommend 3 hours on their installation guide. The next step is actually doing a dry fit to your mirror. So you don't wanna just take the sticky tape off and try to install it. You've got to make sure that it's gonna go on straight and level and even and look perfect to transform your drab mirror. So Mom and I got in here and we kind of maneuvered around the faucet and the lights that were hanging down a little bit. We had some extra finessing to get it on there and saw that it was straight. I could have not done this without the help of Mom, because the mirror is so big. So if you have a large mirror, definitely grab a friend, just someone, have a partner to help you with that part. Just say 5 minutes, no more. So the last part is taking off the back side of the sticky tape. So this double-sided tape is very strong. So make sure that you're using the corner guides when you're going up to make sure that you're getting the perfect placement on the mirror. Mom and I were so surprised by how we did not even press the frame on the mirror and it just stuck. I did have one corner that I hadn't like pressed as much as the others, and we did need to adjust it to make it perfectly level, like just a barely small amount. But I will tell you, once it's up there, there's no adjusting. It is on there. But when you think about it, that's honestly the best part. You want it to stick. You want it to stay. This thing is not coming off, which I'm very happy about. Overall, I'm really happy with the process. I'm happy with the product. I love how it finished out. It looks like I had a master at trim work come and frame out my mirror, and I will definitely be using this product again. And I just love how it flows with the beadboard. I love that it's simple, but it just really cleans it up. So if you look at the before, it just looked boring. It did not go with all the finishes, and then you look at the after and it looks complete. And so I'm over the moon. So if you have a builder grade mirror or a mirror that has no character, it just feels kind of drab, this is definitely the solution for you. I do have a discount code. It's Farmhouse Living 15, and you get 15% off. You can click the link in the description. Also, if you would like a full bathroom tour in my process, the wallpaper, the door, the floors, the quartz, all the details, that video is also linked below. We have blog posts, photos, the whole shebang. And I have also linked a couple of inspiration that I really loved off the FrameMyMirror Instagram. So if you need more mirror frame, how to transform just a basic mirror, I have that inspiration. So I hope that you guys enjoyed. I hope you guys are DIYing and transforming spaces and having as much fun as I am. So have a great day. Bye.